Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your American Express personal savings account or your Amex personal savings account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Amex personal savings account, first on your computer open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in americanexpress.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for Amex personal savings login like this and hit enter. And on the Google's first result, you can see the login to personal savings americanexpress.com. Click over here, and from the first tab we are on the home page of the American Express or the Amex.com or the Amex Bank. You can see the under the personal category, personal cars, savings account, personal loans, personal checkings and gift card. Now to log into your personal savings account, you can see the savings account option available over here. Second one, click over there. But from over here we'll be directly required to enter our but from this page we will be required to choose our savings account or our regular Amex account. Now to log into our savings account, let's click on login with savings account, and after that, but from over here on the first tab, when we click on the savings account, we're on this page. Now to log into your American Express savings account, you can see the savings login option available over here on the top right corner of the screen. Or if you have not yet signed up for American Express savings account, you can see the open an account option available over here. Click on open an account and you'll be taken or redirected to a page where you can sign up for American Express savings account. Now to log into your American Express savings now to log into your American Express savings account, let's click on the savings login over here on the top right corner of your screen. And it's the same page we opened just earlier from the Google search result, and let's click on the savings account again. And after that, we'll be required to enter our username and password over here. And after that, we'll be required to enter our username and password over here. After that, click on login to sign into your American Express account, and click on login to sign into your American Express savings account. Or if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can simply click over here, forgot username or forgot password, to go through a procedure to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. Or if you have not yet created a personal savings account on American Express, you can see the create online access over here. Click there to go through a procedure where you can register your account on American Express savings. Click on create online access to go through a procedure to sign up for American Express Bank. And there guys, this is how you log into your American Express personal savings account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.